You know those moments where there is just so much to talk about that you don't know where to start? I'm in one of those moments right now. So, let me see. I would like to point my mind to a direction so that I start this video with something valuable. But the thing is, everything is value, right? Like, whatever I tell you right now, it is going to be valuable because you have a certain way of taking value from it. So, then what actually is valuable? Is the content the one that gives value, or is it you that takes the value from it? For me specifically, whatever the content may be, right, I always tend to find value in it, and the value can be good or bad. So that's the problem for me. It's like, if the content is telling about a particular topic that I'm really interested in, then perhaps I'll get a value from it that is going to help me be more interested in that topic. But a bad value would mean that I would be repelled from going into that topic again. But in the case of topics that we have to learn, do you take the good value or the bad value from it? You'd obviously take the good value because that is keeping you interested. So, if this is just what value means, me talking right now is just content for you to take the good value from it, not because you get more interested throughout this video, but because you are able to see something within you that you can see within me. So basically, the whole point of value in today's world is finding relatability. Now, relatability. I've been thinking about relatability a lot because influencers online and people online that sell self improvement and sell advice, they aren't relatable in the sense that they encapsulate everything that you are feeling right now. They give you the value only. But what is happening right now is we are shifting from only taking value to not seeking value but seeking the relatability, seeking the wholeness of that person's life. So, why are we doing this? Like, why do we want to relate to someone so much right now? I think it's because we have forgotten how life actually is. And the brutal truth is that however you think you should be, or you should be like, or however you plan to see yourself in the future, that doesn't add up to the life that you're living right now. So we are truly just wanting to be in the present moment. And the present moment is hard. It's not where you see yourself in 5 years. It's not proper, it's messy, and you're trying to get an answer so that you can fix whatever this present moment right now for you is. So you are looking for relatability in this present moment, and you're not looking at value. You're not looking for how do I answer this question of life for me right now. And I want you to ponder upon this. Like, you don't need advice anymore. You just need the truth of the moment. You just need some sort of support, either from yourself or from videos like these, so that you get to experience the present moment rather than want to work for something that is far in the future. So We need more relatable people. We need more people not voicing out how life is like, but voicing out the present moment. Voicing out, I am messy right now, and I am not in a place where I think I'll be, but I'm still trying to navigate my way somehow in this murky water. And I'm trying so hard to also share my story right now to you. See, the problem for us lies within the sharing. How do you choose to share your story? Is it through you truly speaking of what you feel right now? Or is it through you speaking of your problems? Or is it through you speaking of the positives? Like, what do you speak about that helps people, that makes people feel like they are seen? And I think the solution to all this is you yourself seeking yourself. So, in the end, people like me can try to give you something as support right now, and we can try to assure you that you will get somewhere that is good and better than where you are right now, and we can try to pour hope into you. But in the end, you have to sit with the discomfort. You have to sit with trying to have hope. You have to sit with trying to be consistent. You have to sit with everything that you are feeling right now. So maybe let's sit with that. I'll play a song. Let's just sit through it together. And it's going to be a small montage. Let's just sit through it and let's see what we feel by the end of it. And let's see what we can conclude together so that we try and bring hope into ourselves again. Okay? So I have brought my phone. I'm going to make you listen to this song right now. Listen to it and just let's come together at the end of this and just speak our hearts out, okay? Wait. That ended so abruptly though. I wanted that to go on. Wasn't that good? Wasn't that did it spark something inside of you? Because it did for me. You know what that taught me? I was just ranting about the fact that we need more people that relate to us and we need to be supported even more. But just listening to this song and its vibe just made me feel like maybe we do not need more people. Maybe we need just ourselves to understand that the fact that we are trying to be better, to be a good person, to be someone who helps people, to be someone who wants to share what they know to others. The fact that we try to even do that all is beautiful. It is why we are here. Like, my brother just entered, that's why I'm distracted. But this is why we need more songs like this, of course, but also just the idea that we are enough right now. We don't, even though we hate people or want to do more in our lives or want to be somewhere else than here, in the end we are still trying to be someone better, and most people don't do that. Most people don't want to help or share or be a good person. The fact that you're trying to do that is beautiful in itself. So you might want advice sometimes, and that's totally valid, but in the end you are the only person that can make you feel loved in this moment. You are the only person that can make you feel like you are beautiful for just being you, and you are beautiful for just feeling happy and trying to feel happy right now. So cheers to you, and keep going on.